about the review regarding the coordinate systems. This is Dr. KBSD Sharma, Professor, Department of ECE, BBC Engineering College, Autonomous. What is a coordinate system? In electromagnetics, most of the quantities are functions of space and time. In order to describe the spatial variations of these quantities with respect to the time, we are using different types of coordinate systems. There are three types of coordinate systems: Cartesian coordinate system, cylindrical coordinate system, spherical coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system is otherwise called as a rectangular coordinate system. Cylindrical coordinate system is otherwise called as the circular coordinate system. Spherical coordinate system is otherwise called as the polar coordinate system. What is a Cartesian coordinate system? The Cartesian coordinate system, which is to be represented with p of x comma y comma z. X, y, z are the three coordinate axes, and p is nothing but the point where the charge is to be located. The ranges of these coordinate variables are: x is to be in between the minus infinity to infinity, and y is to be infinity, minus infinity to infinity, and z is also minus infinity to infinity. From the figures we understood that any point in a rectangular coordinate system is the intersection of the three plane waves. So this is about the x-axis, and this is about the y-axis, and this is about the z-axis, and P is nothing but the point of charge location with the x, y, z, where these three are to be joined or intersected. So one is about the constant x-plane, y constant y-plane, and z. These three axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. So if we observe that one with this constant x, y, z planes here, and according to the vector Cartesian coordinate system, A is a vector which is to be represented with ax bar plus ay plus az. Here small ax, az are to be the unit vectors along the xyz directions of a vector respectively. From the definitions of the dot product, we can see that if we multiply two similar unit vectors, ax is equal to 1, ax is dotted with ax, ay dot ay or az dot az is equal to 1. And if two dissimilar vectors, ax dot ay is equal to ay dot az is equal to az dot ax is equal to 0. From the definitions of the cross product, ax bar cross ax bar is equal to 0, plus similarly ay cross ay or az cross az is equal to 0. If two dissimilar vectors are to be represented, it will the multiplicand or the resultant will be the third vector. Ax cross ay is equal to az. Ay cross az is equal to ax. Az cross ax is equal to ay. And according to the cylindrical coordinate system, here we may represent about a cylinder here. We may assume that the cylinder here, the point P in a cylindrical coordinate system, which are to be represented as rho phi z. Here P is the point, and R is equal to radius of the cylinder passing through that are otherwise called as the radial distance from the z-axis. And pi is nothing but the angle measured from the x-axis in the xy plane. In the xy plane, it is to be measured with pi. And z is equal to the same as just like as the Cartesian coordinate system. So the ranges of these coordinates are: r is to be in between the 0 to infinity, and pi is to be in between the 0 to 2 pi, and z is to be in between minus infinity to infinity. Here r is to be represented with the radius of the cylinder. And next, from the figure we understood that the cylindrical coordinates systems are to be intersect with the three planes: constant r plane, and constant pi plane, and constant z plane with respect to that. Suppose for example, if we observe here, it is a cylinder with respect to that x, y, and z. With respect to that, a bar is equal to ar into ar plus a phi into a phi plus az into az. Ar, a phi, az that are nothing but the unit vectors along with the r, phi, z directions respectively. From the definitions of the dot product, we represent that AR dot AR is equal to FI dot FI is equal to AZ dot AZ is equal to 1. Like that only the cross products. AR dot AR is equal to AR cross AR is equal to FI cross FI is equal to AZ cross AZ is equal to 0. The relations between the Cartesian coordinate system with the cylindrical coordinate system. Suppose, for example, if the point of location is to be represented in one coordinate system, if we want to convert in the other coordinate system, these relations will be helpful for us. R is equal to, if it is to be given in the Cartesian coordinate system, x, y, z are to be the vectors. R is equal to root of x square plus y square, phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x, and z is equal to z. Suppose if that are to be given in the cylindrical coordinate system, if we want to represent in the Cartesian coordinate system, x is equal to r cos phi, phi is equal to r sin phi, and z is equal to z. The relations of the unit vector are also to be represented as follows, like this. So it is to be obtained from the unit vector transmission between the Cartesian and cylindrical coordinate system. The relations are to be occurred like from the figure we may observe that AR is equal to A cos phi into AX plus sin phi into AY. With respect to that, we may represent these vectors. And next one is about the spherical coordinate system or a polar coordinate system rho phi z. So rho theta phi. So a point P is a cylindrical coordinate, spherical coordinates which are to be represented as P. So rho is nothing but the distance of the point from the origin, and theta is nothing but the angle between the z-axis, which pi is nothing but the angle between the x and x-axis. In the xy plane, it is to be nothing but the azimuthal angle. The ranges are to be rho is equal to 0 to infinity, and theta is equal to 0 to pi, and pi is equal to 0 to 2 pi. So from that, we may represent the cylindrical coordinate system like this. It is nothing but a sphere. So with respect to that, the cross products and dot products are to be represented like that. Arrow into arrow is equal to 1, like that only the remaining variables also. And A cross C cross is equal to A theta cross A theta, that is equal to A phi cross A phi is equal to 0. Like that only we represent this one. And next one is about the relation between the Cartesian with spherical coordinate system. It is to be given in the Cartesian system. The spherical coordinate system rho is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square. Theta is equal to tan inverse of root of x square plus y square by z, and phi is equal to tan inverse y by x. Suppose it are to be given in the cylindrical coordinate system with the coordinate system x is equal to rho sin theta cos phi, phi is equal to rho sin theta sin phi, and z is equal to rho cos theta. These are the relations of the spherical coordinate system with the Cartesian coordinate system. So this is to be the representation of the spherical coordinate systems. So from that, we may convert one form of coordinate system into the another form of coordinate system. This will be helpful for us while you are discussing about the further Coulomb's law and etc. etc. Okay, thank you for